Pretty sure that for $750 you could buy all the wood it would take to frame this thing the right way, and then it would go together much better.
You like that?
You'd actually probably have top plates and bottom plates as opposed to OSB plates.
You'd have 2x4s in the corners.
You'd have 2x4s in the corners. You don't even have anything. What holds the corners together? 2x4 right there on the outside. You nail this piece of plywood to it. Doesn't have corners. It's just really, to me, it's, I want to say, next to worthless. So if you're planning on buying one of these things, you're better off to have somebody go out and buy the wood that you need for it and build your own, because this thing is not worth it. So we bought this kit, or somebody did. I'm just helping them put it together. And while I'm putting it together, I'm realizing that, I don't know how to say it. It's more crap than it is good. How about that? I'm not sure even how to say that. Yeah, that's the whole back wall. That's the whole back wall framed in. Wow, ridiculous. The side walls, look at this side wall. That's what they're using. They're using a piece of 2x2 OSB for a bottom plate. That's the bottom plate. That's all the framing for your wall with your doors. You're going to get 2 studs right there. Wow. And then I guess the roof is next. Yeah. Let's put it this way. Personally, I wouldn't buy this building unless I was just building it for my doghouse. I might buy it for a doghouse, but that's be about what it's worth to me.